Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Mr. and Mrs Pai. We were eagerly waiting for a product which has finally arrived. So this is the product. I have already opened it. This is the bunny cover for the helmet. I'll show you the bunny cover. This goes on the helmet. So this we got it from Instagram Gym Creations. They created, we ordered from Gym Creations to put it on our Vega Bolt helmet. So this is the bunny cover. So this has a good quality. They have, if you see, the quality of the bunny cover is very good compared to other people, because other people don't have inner linings and all stitchings, but whereas this one has inner lining created for it, and the elastic also is not visible. If you get from other vendors, the elastic will be visible for us. So this is the snug fit on the helmet. So this is a snug fit on the helmet. I'll add the fitting and I'll show you how it fits on the helmet in few minutes.